Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are watching me first time, let me tell you my name is Pragati Mishra. I am from Uttar Pradesh. Through this channel, I share everything whatever I learn, whatever I want to share with you as a real talk. I express everything in English. So, let's start this today's video. My dear friends, I am sharing with you everything, okay? But today I am going to share something different. My daily routine. Yes, I will tell every sentences in slow manner. So listen carefully and practice along with me. So, my dear friends, when I wake up, usually I wake up at 8 a.m. Yes, I am not a morning person. You know what? When I wake up, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Okay, then I go in the kitchen searching for water. Yes, this is my first action when I wake up. The manner which we perform daily is washing my face, then brushing, and then drinking water. Actually, it gives me instant energy. Then only I start every action. After drinking water, I make my bed. Okay, I make my bed and my parents' bed also. The bed sheets and the curtains, everything in arranged manner. Okay, now after these, I go to go in the kitchen again. Now at this time, I go in kitchen to make my breakfast. Would you believe if I say that I also make my breakfast? Yes. Usually I don't breakfast, but when I'm not tired or I feel some interesting, then only I prepare my breakfast because usually my mothers prepare. I don't like to work in kitchen, but let me tell you one personal interest. I am more happier in washing the dishes rather than cooking. Yes. So my mother prepares breakfast for everyone. Most of the time I takes my breakfast and starts my day. But sometimes I also prepare. Okay? I usually eat sprouted grains and cheese bread with tea. I am a tea person, not a coffee person. Most of the time of a day, in morning, in evening, I prefer tea. Okay. If someone is taking coffee, then only I can take. But in my daily routine, I prefer tea. Okay. So I believe that I am tea person more than the coffee person. Now let's move further. After taking a breakfast, I freshen up and get dressed for my library. My dear friends, initially just some days before I had my result of my college and now my course were completed, so I joined library. Now I got free from college, so joined library, and now get after getting dressed up, I go to the library. Initially, I prepares my whole time in whole time plan for library. So for 5 to 10 minutes I prepares my study plan, and after completing my study I come to home for my lunch. Okay, after taking lunch I take nap, but the nap goes so long it becomes sleep. After waking up again I take tea. Yes, this is time of evening when I take tea again. Okay, so after taking tea, this is the time when I work for my English. My dear friends, I learn, I record, and share on alternate days with you guys. I work for my English every day. You can't believe that along with my daily routine, as I told you that English is not a subject, it's an interest a regarding a skill, and I am interested to learn this skill. I am practicing every day just to get fluent in this skill. Yes, fluent in English speaking. And that's why I decided to share my daily routine, everything what I do in a day in English. My dear friends, hope you are relating my words and hope you are getting me completely. As I am not a pro speaker, so I am speaking everything in a very simple words so that everyone can understand my daily routine. If you are getting me and if you are finding any mistake, then please remember I'm not a perfect speaker. If you are interested, then you can comment, I can improve. Otherwise, let it be. I will understand my with my own. Okay? So let's move further. After working for my English, I spend time with my family because this is the time when I feel very good. Like night begins. This is the quiet time and I really like quiet times in night. My dear friends, after all day, this is the time when I work for my study, when I work for my dreams. Everyone having, I am like one of you, having dreams, goals, so we should try work hard for our goals to achieve our dreams. After thinking about this, I again washes my face and brush up my teeth. Okay? And at last, after completing all the tasks, I prefer watching any interesting short movie or anything in video format, or sometimes I read paper of a book. You know why? Because I like reading also. Yes, that's why I read books also whenever I find any interesting pages or interesting books. My dear friends, believe me, reading a book also teaches a lot of things. Okay? So after this, I turn off the light and it's time to sleep. So, this was my daily routine. My dear friends, I believe that every day is a chance to get upgrade yourself, to work for your dreams. So, utilize it in a best way. Be positive towards your goals, dreams. Everyone having distractions, but don't put distraction in your mind. Just see them, tackle them, and move on. Keep the positive aspects of life only within you. Believe me, friends, I am also with you who is working on our dream. If you are watching me after achieving your goal, then congratulations and wish me also so that we can also achieve our goal. And I am glad to share my daily routine with you guys in English. And one day will also come when I will share my upgraded version with you in English in a better way. So, this is for today's video. Let's stop here and I will meet you in my upcoming video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep moving forward in your life. Take care and bye bye.